How to install a kitchen sink. Learn to install a kitchen sink to enhance both the functionality and aesthetic of your kitchen. While this task may seem challenging initially, with proper guidance and the right tools, it becomes a manageable and rewarding project to install a kitchen sink. First, prepare the area, then secure the sink to the countertop, connect the faucet, attach water supply lines, ensure proper drainage, and test for leaks, following manufacturer instructions for specific sink types. This task requires precision, a basic understanding of plumbing, and careful adherence to the guidelines of a kitchen remodel company. Necessary tools and materials. For installing a kitchen sink, you'll need a variety of tools and materials. Here's a comprehensive list. New kitchen sink. Choose the type that best fits your kitchen's layout and style. Faucet and faucet assembly, including necessary hoses for water connection. Sink mounting clips. These are used to secure the sink to the countertop. Silicone sealant, for creating a watertight seal between the sink and countertop. Plumber's putty, to seal around the drain assembly. Adjustable wrench, for tightening and loosening nuts and bolts. Basin wrench, to tighten or remove the faucet nuts. Pipe wrench, for working with the plumbing beneath the sink. PVC piping or flexible hose, for the sink's drain and water lines. PVC primer and cement, if you need to make any PVC pipe adjustments. Teflon tape, to seal threaded pipe joints and prevent leaks. Hacksaw or pipe cutter, for cutting pipes to the required length. Measuring tape, for precise measurements. Level, to ensure your sink and countertop are level. Safety glasses and gloves, for protection during cutting or drilling. Drill and drill bits, if holes need to be drilled in the countertop. Jigsaw or hole saw kit, for cutting a hole in the countertop if required. Bucket, to catch any residual water when disconnecting old plumbing. Towels or rags, for cleanup and to mop up any spills. Having these tools and materials at hand will ensure a smooth installation process. It's important to read and follow the manufacturer's instructions for your specific sink model, as there might be additional or specific requirements. Pre-installation preparation. For installing a kitchen sink. Before you begin the actual installation of a kitchen sink, proper preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Here's a guide to get you started. Clear the area. Ensure the space under the kitchen counter is clear. Remove any items stored in the cabinet under the sink. Turn off water supply. Locate and turn off the main water supply to avoid any accidental spills or leaks during installation. Remove the old sink, if applicable. If you're replacing an old sink, carefully disconnect and remove it. This may involve unscrewing the sink from the countertop and disconnecting the water supply and drain pipes. Measure and inspect the new sink. Before installation, measure your new sink and the countertop area to ensure a proper fit. Also, inspect the new sink for any damage. Gather tools and materials. Refer to the list of necessary tools and materials for the installation and have them readily accessible. Prepare the countertop. If you're cutting a new hole for the sink, mark the dimensions accurately on the countertop. Ensure the area to be cut is supported from underneath to prevent damage. Safety first. Wear appropriate safety gear like gloves and safety glasses, especially if you're going to cut or drill. Check for compatibility. Ensure that the plumbing under the sink, such as the water supply lines and the waste pipe, is compatible with your new sink. Purchase adapters if necessary. Clean the workspace. Make sure the area where the sink will be installed is clean and free from debris. A clean surface is crucial for a good seal. Read the manufacturer's instructions. Each sink can have specific installation requirements. Always read through the installation manual that comes with your sink for any particular instructions. Preparing thoroughly will make the actual installation process more efficient and help prevent any unforeseen issues. Remember, good preparation is key to a successful DIY project. Installing the kitchen sink. Once your pre-installation preparation is complete, you can proceed with the actual installation of the kitchen sink. Here's a step-by-step guide. Position the sink. Carefully place the sink into the cutout on your countertop to ensure it fits. If it's a top-mount sink, the edges should rest on top of the countertop. For undermount sinks, they should fit snugly beneath the countertop. Secure the sink. For top-mount sinks, apply a bead of silicone sealant around the edge of the sink, then place it in the cutout. Secure it with the mounting clips provided, tightening them until the sink is firmly in place. For undermount sinks, apply a bead of silicone sealant around the top edge of the sink, then lift it into place from underneath the countertop. Use the mounting clips to secure it to the underside of the countertop. Install the faucet. Before attaching the sink to the countertop, it's easier to install the faucet. Attach the faucet to the designated holes in the sink and secure it as per the manufacturer's instructions. Connect the water supply lines. Connect the faucet's water supply lines to the shutoff valves under the sink. Use an adjustable wrench to tighten the connections, ensuring they are secure but not over-tightened. Install the drain. Place the plumber's putty around the underside of the drain flange and press it into the drain hole in the sink. From underneath, attach the gasket and threading ring, tightening to secure the drain in place. Connect the drain to the P-trap, align and connect the sink's drain to the P-trap. This may require cutting and fitting the pipes. Use PVC primer and cement if necessary, ensuring all connections are tight and secure. Apply sealant. Apply silicone sealant around the edge of the sink to create a watertight seal between the sink and the countertop, especially important for top-mount sinks. Check for leaks. Turn on the water supply and check all connections for any leaks. Tighten further if necessary. Final inspection. Ensure the faucet and drain operate correctly and that the sink is firmly attached and sealed to the countertop. Clean up. Wipe away any excess sealant or putty and clean the area for a neat finish. Remember, patience and attention to detail are crucial for a successful installation. If you encounter any complex issues, don't hesitate to consult a professional. Concluding remarks on how to install kitchen sink. Installing a kitchen sink is a manageable task that can significantly improve the functionality and appearance of your kitchen. Whether you choose to undertake this project as a DIY endeavor or opt for professional installation, the key is in careful planning, precise measurement, and attention to detail. It's essential to choose the right sink that not only fits your kitchen style, but also its functional needs. Remember to gather all necessary tools and materials before beginning and to turn off the water supply to avoid any mishaps.